Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I am so excited to share with you a fun DIY on how you can create a holiday guest book for your guest bedroom so that you can really make your guests feel special this holiday season. So let's jump right in. So friends, you know I love adding little special touches in my home for family and friends when they come to visit. Although I'm not hosting Christmas this year, I had to bring this to you. I am going to another family member's house and I'm going to relax and enjoy this year. So I don't have a lot of the kind of prep with me videos this year, but I am definitely going to be back with them next year, and you can enjoy the ones I also have already out there. But for today, I'm sharing with you this book that is something like when you go to a luxury hotel and they give you that leather-bound book that tells you all the kind of room service items and things like that. This is the same concept that I used with it. I found a beautiful photo album. You can get it in any style that you want to fit your home. You also, when you're looking at the photo album, and one thing I didn't do was think about the size. This is a larger size album, but I should have got a smaller one because I wanted to use 8.5 by 11 sheets. But you can definitely use like scrapbook paper if you want to use a larger type album. But I love that it had this gold, woven feel to it. It's great for the holidays, and you can find them all sorts of places. Along with, they have the opening for you to slip a piece of paper in and say welcome. Along with, I have it in the metallic. I printed it out on the computer and laminated the metallic onto it. I have a tutorial video on how to do this, which I'll link below. But this was such a fun project to do, and I want to take you through to show you all the elements that I have inside my guest book, which basically you just sit it on the bed so that when your guests come to their room, it's sitting on the bed and they can enjoy it. Now, one is a television listing. It has all the channels listed because a lot of times people that visit are not from your town, so they are not familiar with what channel is ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox. So you have it all listed there so that they can easily maneuver to their favorite channels while they're laying in bed watching TV. The next thing is the Wi-Fi access. I have our logins for them to easily log on to our Wi-Fi, and I label everything in the gold. All the titles I did in that gold. Again, I'll link my tutorial below if you're interested. The next page I have is the beverage list. So I tell my guests all of the beverages that are in my home that they are welcome to, that they can have. I put a little wine list here to make it fun, so they can say, hey Nikki, can I have a glass of Moscato? And they can see here clearly that I do have it in my house, and it's all available for them. And it's just about having fun, giving them that little special touch when they come to your home to really make them feel special. And the great thing about this is you can customize it however you want to fit what you want to share with your guests. I also have one for the complimentary items that I have in my home for them. So I went and told them where the snacks are, where their on-the-go items are, about the laundry room, anything that I think that they may have a question about, or just to keep them from even feeling like they have to ask about it, and to let them know that they're welcome to it. And it's all outlined here for them. Along with local attractions, because I live in Charleston, South Carolina, so many people love to go see different attractions here in town, and so I kind of outline all the different things that they can do with a little description, and it's a fun thing for them to look at while they're laying in bed and saying, hey, let's go down to the water park tomorrow, whatever it is that they see that they want to do. Along with the local attractions, I have the map included here so that they can see the different streets. And downtown Charleston can get a little confusing if you're not from here, and so it's great to be able to give them something to kind of help them see the different streets and things like that. Again, you can customize this to fit your area and what you want to provide to your guests, but I thought this was a nice touch for my guests in my home. And then you all know how I love to give my guests breakfast in bed, or I like to cater my breakfast to their needs, so I have a breakfast selection here. And so what I did here, this is not laminated because I want them to be able to use them. So what they do is they just basically check off the things that they would like to have for breakfast, and if they have any allergies, and then I have a little note on there, just slip this under your door and I will fix you a custom breakfast in the morning. So if they don't fill it out, it's no problem. I still give them breakfast, but it's just kind of prepared. But this is if they want something, whatever they want. And then the guest message. This is one here, and I don't laminate this one also, so that they can write a little note. I ask that them that they just write a little note, anything they want to tell Mike and I, or anything they want to write about how much fun we had when they were visiting or anything like that. And those would stay in the book, so the next guest can read the different comments that everybody have made. So I thought it was really cute touch. So this is the welcome book, and I think it's a fun thing that you can do, takes no time to do, for your guests to really make them feel special this holiday season. Again, you can just go to anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Tuesday One, anywhere, and get a photo book and do this. It's so simple. I hope you all are doing great, and I hope you have a beautiful and blessed Christmas holiday. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.